Layout can be either tightly enforced using templates or flexible using fixed sheet mode. Pre-configured queues use templates which provide automatic placement and sizing of graphics. In the Smart Bar, choosing the template updates the total plate and size and print area. For this template, graphics are centered with oversized graphics scaled to fit. This template has 2 slots filled with the same graphic. These slots are configured to rotate the graphic, which was required by the machine feed direction. If you frequently change templates, then enable a prompt when graphics are received. Choose Queue Menu, Properties, Layout Manager, Show Import Template Job. When a graphic is received, you are prompted as follows. Express, use the current template. Select, choose from a list. For templates with slots for different graphics, choose the slot. You can edit and create templates. Create a variation by clicking here to edit. Set the template name. Click the slot, then Change, and set Alignment to Top Middle. Click Update to save the slot edits, then Save As to create the new template. Graphics are now positioned at the top middle. For multiple slots, settings can be different for each slot. The slot labels indicate whether slots use the same graphic. These slot labels are 1 and 2. The first graphic fills one slot, the next graphic fills the other. By assigning the same label number, a graphic will fill both slots. Templates provide automation and consistency, reducing the risk of operator error. For more layout freedom, use Fixed Sheet Mode. Choose Queue Menu, Properties, Media Setup. Change the type to Fixed Sheet Media and choose the plate and size. You can now lay out multiple graphics within the print area. By default, each graphic is placed on a new sheet. Press Ctrl to drag graphics between sheets. Useful layout tools for sheets are cropping and tiling, copy groups, step and repeat.